guys, I'm back with another video. In our last class, we did EVS of 4th standard and the topic was our country. In the topic, in our country, we learned about map and globe. So today we are going to learn about direction. So let's see what is the direction and in detail, okay? The direction we'll see in full detail, okay? Are you ready for it? Yeah? Directions, okay? So today we'll start direction. So let's go ahead, okay? Yeah, direction. So why do you think we should follow direction? And why can't we just say take left and right? If I simply say take left, right and simply go just right, straight, and can we reach the direction correctly? Yeah? Not always, right? Yes. Yeah, that is the reason why we use some particular directions, okay? Like north, east, west and south, okay? Most of the directions, of these on the top corner of the map, okay? In our last class we learnt about the map, right? And in that we'll be having a directions, okay? In a corner of upside or downside, we'll be having maps. We'll be having a direction, okay? Yeah, it is very important to understand the navigate for reaching from one place to another place, okay? It gives us a clear picture, okay, to move from one place to another. So we use this direction. So why do we think you have, you can just see here, one picture is there, when north, south, east, west is there, no? In between you are having N, E, S, E, S, W, N, W. What is that? It is, what is that? Do you know? What is it? What are those? Those are nothing but a distance between north and east, okay? And it calls northeast, okay? What it calls? Northeast. And between south and east we call southeast. Yes, and the direction between south and west we call southwest, and we call from west and south we call, yes, so north and west we call northwest, okay? These are the directions, okay? So I hope now you understood why Google navigation people tell go north and take south, etc., etc., right? And yes, this is how exactly where exactly you're facing, okay? You're facing north or south or east or west, okay? This is, and yes, yeah, this is okay. And we call as a cardinal also, we call what we call for we call a cardinal. Yes, okay, you can just see here NE northeast, SE southeast, NW northwest and southwest also, okay? And we use compass whenever you can, you can, and if you don't have any quickly, you can just turn toward east. If you want to know, if you doesn't have any compass like this, yes, if you doesn't have such compass, if you doesn't have such a direction compass, what you can do, if you want to go, just turn towards east, okay? How do you know which direction is east? Can you just tell me? Yes, whenever sun is rising up, that will be east, okay? So just face towards the east and straight your arms, okay? And once you straight your arms, your left side will be north, okay? Your right side will be south, and your behind will be west, okay? You will get west, okay? You understood? Yeah, if you straight your arms, after straightening arms, your left side will be north and right side will be south, and behind you will be west. Understood? Yes, you can easily find out, okay? So this is much simple as way to remember north, east, west, north, east, west and south direction. And because they are very important, and very much main to identify the direction. So it is called as a cardinal direction. Why we called as a cardinal direction? Because it is very important, okay, to know the direction, okay. Yeah, so we called as a cardinal directions, okay. All north, east, west, south is cardinal direction, right? And yes, and in between, I just tell you, in between we are having northeast, southeast, yes, southwest, northwest. They are secondary directions, okay. These are secondary direction. The northeast, west, south is cardinal direction, okay. And the second one is the middle one is called as a secondary direction, okay. Yeah, you can identify the direction, from compass also, okay. From compass, if you just hold the compass on your hand and it turns to exact direction, and you can carry them to a journey also, okay. This compass is, you can just carry for your journey also, and this compass is very much important to the sailors and for all those who are exploring one place to another place, okay. They must have this compass with them. Like I said, wherever sunrise, but if you are in middle of evening or in night, you will get confused, right? So which is east, right? Yeah, that's why it is suggested to carry a compass when you are exploring many direction of or destinations, okay. This is very much important. The compass is very much important. Yeah, in daily life we don't use much, but when you are traveling in important to take it, when you are traveling, it is really very much important to take if you are traveling to other place or other country, okay. You understood? Okay, let's play a small quick game, okay. You're ready? Now you understood, no, the direction. So what I have here is, okay, let's play. Yeah, I'm having a picture. You have to tell the all round directions. Here you have, you can just see. So it is very simple, okay. I'll give you clues and just observe the picture and tell me where the animal is, okay, which direction is it, okay. So if particular animal, you can just see here, yeah, see, this is the directions, okay. So if the particular animal is in south, then show 5 fingers. You can just see here, if it is a south, you can just show 5 fingers. If north is, then you can show 2 fingers, as so on, okay. This is the clues. As you see in 1 finger for north and 2 for northeast, 3 for east, 4 for southeast, 5 for south, 6 for southwest, 7 for west, and 8 for northwest, okay. These are the fingers you have to show, okay. So shall we start? Shall I give a first clue? You are ready? Yeah. Which direction is the brown alligator facing? Okay, see, where is the alligator? Yeah, you are able to see? Where is the alligator? It is above the elephant. See, where is elephant? Down, right? Yeah, above the elephant, the alligator is. So, where does it is facing? Observe carefully. Yes, tell me. It is west. Yes. Then you should show 7 finger. It is west side, so you should show 7 fingers. Okay, next let's see. Which direction is the blue dotted fish moving? Just observe carefully. Where is blue dotted fish moving? It is east, yeah, or it is southeast? Which? Yes, it is southeast. It is not east. It is southeast. Then you have to show 4 fingers. Okay? Yes. So like this, do all and get answer. I know you can do it yourself, right? As my all children are very brilliant and they can do themselves. Yes. Yes. You have to do yourself. If you don't know or you are confused of it, then you can check the answers here. Okay? This is the answers you can check. So, this was all about the direction. Yes, this was about the directions. So this was all about the direction. I hope you have enjoyed and understood the direction, right? Yes, you have enjoyed the directions, and you have to do at home also. Okay, this all directions you have to do at home. See the pictures. Okay, if you want, take a screenshot and do it, or see it from your home. If you just keep anything in any direction and just check it out with your hands. Okay, see where is the sun rising. You just face your sun, you face your your face towards the east, and you can stretch your arms and you can just see the directions also. Okay, this was the direction topic. So in our next topic we are going to learn about landforms. Same lesson, our country, and it is a third part. We are going to learn landforms. So for next video, keep watching our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.